Okay, so we have 3 tablespoons of cumin, 2 tablespoons of fennel, 1 tablespoon of coriander, and then a few, about 5 brinjals. This is the Indian brinjals, 2 onions, about 500 grams of chicken, and few chillies. Greased green chili depends on how spicy you want it to be, so you can add accordingly. Okay. Remember the cumin, fennel, and coriander. Toast them nicely on high heat until there's a nice fragrant smell. Okay. So I already toasted the cumin, fennel, and coriander. Now we just grind it into a nice powder or not very fine. Even if it's slightly coarse, it's alright. If you have a blender to grind it, then do so. Go ahead. As you can see, I've already grind it. You don't have to be so fine. Slightly coarse is nice. Yep, that's alright now. Right, so let's get cooking. I put about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Yeah. Just heat it up under medium heat. So let it heat up. Then we start putting in the onions. So first we're going to add the onions. And also the half-cut chilies, yeah? Fry them a bit until they're a bit soft, until the onion goes soft. Okay, add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. So mine is already made. If you want, you can have like about 5 cloves of garlic and about this big of this much ginger. It should be nice. Yeah, so ginger and garlic paste, give it a nice stir. We add at least 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Give it a nice stir. And then add in your grounded spice. You get a nice aroma coming through. So let the spice cook a little bit. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. Let it saute for a bit, simmer for a bit. Now add your brinjals. Indian brinjals. Add a little bit water, about 5 tablespoons of water, and let it cook for a few seconds. So now it's been about 2 minutes since I left the brinjals in the pan. Add your chicken, 500 grams of chicken. Give it a stir. Add 1 cup of water. Give it a good mix. Add accordingly depending on how much salt you want. Let it simmer for a while. Close it at least about good 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat. Now after 5 minutes, Let's see. Yeah, see? Got nice. It's coming up. Obviously, chicken needs to cook a bit more. And then you need to dry up the gravy a little bit more. So what you can do is increase your heat up slightly high up, so it's a bit more hot, so that you can dry up the gravy a little bit more. So leave it to open. Let the gravy dry up a little bit more. Another, say, 15 minutes. Yep, should be good to go. Yeah, so then add a tomato to give a little bit of sweetness. I don't really want to put it in the beginning, because then the tomato will melt into the gravy. I still want it to be there in like chunks and like a bit more, give it a bit more of a fresh taste and a little bit color. So yeah, you can add red chillies as well. It will look even more attractive instead of green ones, but I only had green ones, so I'm using green ones today. So make use of whatever you have in your fridge. Yeah, as you can see, after 15 minutes, it's nice and dry. Little bit gravy left, but that's alright. That's nice. You need a little bit of flavor left. So yeah, this is good to go. And brinjals are cooked, chicken is cooked, tomato is fresh. Yeah. Now you can serve. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and see you next time. Bye.